Shruti Hassan brings a lively and energetic screen presence in the much-discussed car wash sequence from Veera Sinha Reddy that aligns with the film's larger-than-life commercial style. The scene was designed as a playful, colorful segment within the mass entertainer format that defines the movie, using bright visuals, upbeat pacing, and exaggerated cinematic energy to create a memorable commercial moment. Veera Sinha Reddy itself was built around mass action elements, energetic songs, and larger-than-life characters, with Shruti Hassan playing the role of Isha opposite Nandamuri Balakrishna. What stands out in the sequence is Shruti Hassan's confidence and ease in front of the camera. She carries herself with a playful charm and expressive body language that fit naturally into the light-hearted tone of the scene. Her performance relies heavily on expressions, timing, and screen awareness, helping maintain the fun and energetic atmosphere the filmmakers intended to create. Even within the exaggerated commercial setting, she manages to bring a sense of personality and individuality to the sequence through her reactions and confident screen presence. Her styling in the scene contributes significantly to its visual identity. The filmmakers opted for a contemporary commercial aesthetic, using vibrant colors, fashionable costumes, and glossy cinematography to create a visually striking presentation. Combined with carefully designed lighting and energetic camera movements, the sequence embraces the larger-than-life visual language commonly associated with mainstream Telugu commercial entertainers. The cinematography further enhances her presence through dynamic camera angles, quick edits, and colorful production design. The sequence uses movement and visual rhythm to maintain energy throughout, ensuring that the playful tone remains consistent from beginning to end. Shruti's comfort with this style of filmmaking allows her to remain a central focus even amidst the busy visuals and exaggerated commercial presentation. One of Shruti Hassan's strengths as a performer has always been her ability to adapt to different genres and cinematic styles, ranging from serious dramatic roles to energetic commercial entertainers. In Veera Sinha Reddy, she embraces the mass commercial tone of the film and adjusts her performance accordingly, delivering a presence that fits the movie's high-energy world. Audience reactions to some of the film's lighter and more exaggerated moments were mixed, with online discussions often debating the over-the-top nature of certain scenes and comedic segments. However, many viewers acknowledged that such sequences were very much in line with the traditional, mass entertainer style that the film intentionally embraced. Overall, Shruti Hassan's appeal in the car wash sequence comes from her energetic expressions, confident screen presence, and ability to adapt to the playful commercial tone of the film. Rather than relying solely on visual spectacle, she adds personality and charisma to the moment, helping transform it into one of the more talked-about sequences associated with Veera Sinha Reddy. Through her expressive performance and comfortable screen presence, she contributes to the fun, colorful, and unapologetically mass entertaining spirit that defines the movie.